Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Daud Pranjaya Daulay. I'm the leader of the Sajen Nusa team which consists of Cynthia Nurul Fajrianti, Rinda Dwi Rahmawati, Nur Irfan Effendi, Hia Syafa Abinita, and also Yang Putra Timur. In this occasion, kami ingin mempresentasikan proposal bisnis plan kami yang berjudul Sajen Nusa, Innovation in the Utilization of Used Cooking Oil as the Main Raw Material for Environmentally Friendly and Sustainable Dish Soap. We will start this presentation by introducing what Sajen Nusa is. Sajen Nusa is an eco-friendly dish soap product that utilizes used cooking oil waste as the main raw material, which is recycled through a safe and efficient process. This soap is also designed to be biodegradable, leaving no harmful residue for the environment. Result Results show Sajen Nusa can effectively remove grease and food residue, and is safe to use without causing skin irritation. In running a business and obtaining profit, Sajen Nusa uses well and also halal methods. Sajen Nusa always remember and submit the result of the business that has been carried out to Allah and upright Tauhid Uluhiyah, which will always be seen free in running a business. Sajen Nusa is a business whose technical operations are run by more than 2 people or more precisely as many as 5 people. Sajen Nusa was developed against the backdrop of problems that occur in society, not only in Indonesia but also around the world. Data from the Central Bureau of Statistics 2020 state palm cooking oil consumption in Indonesia reached 70.35 million tons. The use of palm cooking oil for both industrial and household needs will produce a large amount of used cooking oil waste. This cooking oil that is not processed properly can pollute soil and water, endanger human and animal health, and disrupt the ecosystem. In addition, used cooking oil that is disposed of carelessly can cause environmental pollution and risk causing flooding, which in turn will cause material and non-material losses to the community and the environment. On the other hand, innovation in processing used cooking oil into sustainable product is still very minimal. Based on the background that we have described, we hope that this business idea can really take part in effort to support the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, program of the Indonesian government and the global world. However, what needs to be underlined is that the activities of our business are based on Islamic management and business. We always prioritize Islamic law in all production, sales, and marketing activities of our business. In the production process, we will ensure the origin and source of used cooking oil so that it remains halal in its use and utilization. In terms of utility, Sajen Nusa dish soap has a texture that is not too thick and also not too liquid, has a variety of aromas, has a fairly intense color, and is also fat. The Sajen Nusa product also offers many advantages such as doesn't contain harmful ingredients, are natural, can effectively clean fats and oils, and of course have the earth in protection from harmful substances because our products are made from recycled waste. Yeah. The uniqueness of Sajen Nusa lies in the utilization of used cooking oil, which is usually considered worthless, into economically valuable and environmentally friendly products. This innovation also supports the principle of circular economy by creating added value from waste materials. To the author's knowledge, although similar innovation ideas have been developed in other countries, Sajen Nusa is the first innovation in processing used cooking oil into laundry soap developed in Indonesia. The commercialization target of the Sajen Nusa business innovation idea is housewives from the lower middle class. The experience of housewives based on the result of the survey analysis is on average between the age of 20 to 46 years. In addition, the target of our business venture is college students with an age range of 18 to 24 who are living frugally and care about the environment. Through to, cal- sorry. Through the calculation of our set target that has considered various aspects, the population of Indonesia, householders, and students, the percentage of people who care about environment and the assumption of market share for one region in Indonesia with the best in Surabaya City, with a total sales of 100 pieces of soft products for a year. We believe this product will revolutionize the market. Thank you for your time and we look forward to your feedback. Let's make the launch a great success together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.